Oh, weird. I want my bike back. Woo! Oh my God! I don't want to give it back. Alright, what is up everybody? We are starting a brand new moto vlog today, and I don't have time to film a normal introduction. I gotta meet Luke. Oh shit. Well, if I die trying to get to Luke on time, I love you guys. Wet roads, hybrid tires. Oh yeah, we're in for a gnarly day. For as long as I've known Luke, he's been a penny pincher, I guess would be a good way to put it. He's been very conscious of his money, and he has ridden like clapped out junker bikes for as long as I've ever known him. Like, we're talking dumping white smoke, sounds like a rusty old lawnmower, painted flat black. I've just never known Luke to like buy something brand new, but he did. He went to the dealership just yesterday and he bought a brand new dirt bike, and it's a bike that I've never heard of. He actually texted me. I looked at him and I was like, wow, that's actually pretty impressive. So it's kind of like a clone of a Husqvarna or a KTM, which is what I was trying to get him to get. And they've been getting really good reviews. And so I'm really excited to see like just exactly what he came up with. We are going to run into him here in the next 30 seconds and we'll see what kind of bike he came up with. I didn't think he had a truck. Maybe he borrowed his dad's truck. Maybe he got a truck. I don't know. There he is. Wow, look at that thing. Dude, that's nice. What brand is this?
Gpx.
Gpx.
It's like the second generation of it.
Weird. Wow, that's cool. It looks, yeah, dude, it looks like a KTM.
Yeah.
That's trippy.
Say it's a Chinese knockoff.
All right, you ready? There we go. Nice little bridge. Woo! Woo! Oh my gosh! Those are some harsh whoops. Oh, this is rad. This is so much more fun with a buddy. I've come out here by myself, once or twice, and I'm always afraid that I'm gonna get lost or blow my bike up. I'm still scarred from that one time I blew my Honda up. Woo! Slippy. These tires are slippy. So I've been wanting to put some Heretic Studio lights on my dirt bike, because even back in here it gets kind of dark and the headlight on this bike pretty much useless. So slippery. It's my tires, yeah. It's like pure clay. Oh, I'm sick of going uphill. We'll let Luke go ahead. Dude, that bike of his is doing real good. Smells like a two-stroke. I like these rocks. That's nice. Nice rocky section. Oh, that was gnarly.
You kept falling, huh?
Well, it's just so slippery.
Yeah, that tire was just
It just cakes up with clay. It's a great tire for the road, and it's okay for Forest Service roads like this, but When you're in the mud, you gotta have mud trains like that, knobbies. That's cool. Oh, it's not gonna last super long. Nice. How do you like it?
I like it a lot, dude. It's quick.
I'm
not used to such a quick bike. My other 4-stroke,
yeah,
I could just ride that thing a little bit more recklessly. Now I'm just afraid of dropping it or hitting a big rock. Because look how exposed the 2-stroke.
Yeah, those things
exposed.
get dented all the time. That's like a normal 2-stroke issue to have.
I mean, look at yours.
Yeah, I like that big skid plate that the Husqvarna came with. Perfect. Perfect for my kind of riding. I've fallen like 4 times already today.
I know. I just wanna, when we go to Moab, I don't want to deal with a 450 4-stroke. I want a light 250.
Yeah.
I mean, this thing is so light, man.
That is sweet. Can I ride it?
No, but going downhill, do you want to just do that section? Well, that section's kind of downhill too.
Oh, I don't care. We can do whatever. Here we go. Ooh. Oh, that's real soft.
Oh yeah.
Feels different. All right. What are you trying to say? A big guy like me? Trying to call me fat? All right, let's do it. Wow, this is fancy. Wow. Weird. The throttle feels like kind of. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, this thing is punchy. He's got his handlebars like turned down a bit. Oh, weird. Oh boy. I want my bike back. I want my bike. No, it just feels. Gosh, how do I describe this? It feels a lot like a Honda, honestly. Dude, it is so smooth over these rocks. You go. It's just gonna take me a little bit getting used to those low handles. You gotta like wind it up. That's definitely that 2-stroke. Woo! But I can tell you that having a little bit of traction, that feels good. Oh, baby. Oh my God. Oh, it's so light. There we go. Oh my God. I love the sound of, oh wow. Oh, it just carves right up this clay stuff like no problem. It's nothing like my bike. Oh man, I think my next bike might have to be one of these just for dirt riding. Woo! Oh my God, that was so sick. Oh wow, this thing is rad. Oh, I left him in the dust. I don't want to give it back. Wow. Dude, this thing is so sick.
Oh, dude.
Dude, I was freaking hucking off of stuff.
Yeah, you were way quicker than I was.
Well, yeah, you're kind of like it. The 2-stroke just makes you want to open it up because that's where all the power is.
Oh yeah.
And then you just like go. I think those tires make all the difference though. Like this thing, you can't confidently get any speed in it because you just start sliding. And that's so light. So light and punchy. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. What? Oh, fuck. Oh, my eyes. Oh, baby. Oh, man, some of this stuff feels more like I'm riding a jet ski. Oh! Yeah, that was fun.
Oh yeah, how you feeling?
Good. Whew. My feet are soaked. You know what that bike felt like? Now that I think about it, it didn't feel like a Honda. It felt very like Suzuki, honestly, in the way the throttle was laid out. It felt like a lot like my buddy's Suzuki. The sort of like detached throttle. Like the throttle didn't feel super direct. Oh. It felt very smooth, like you could just roll on the throttle. Oh. But it didn't feel attached. I don't know if that makes any sense. This clay. It's so deep, look at this. I'm skiing again. Whee! Put a like, leave a comment, give me some feedback. I need feedback, and that goes for all my stuff, guys. Like, I don't know what I'm doing. I think everyone expects YouTubers to just be like professionals and be like, hey, give me content for free. And I was like, dude, we don't know what we're doing. We're just kind of making this shit up as we go and trying to follow other YouTubers' leads and all that. So oh shit. Oh shit. I almost went over trying to double these things. I almost went over the handlebars on one of those. It was bucking me hard. He's going in circles!
Take your 10-piece chicken nuggets for $149.
Alrighty, any sauce?
Yes.
What kind of sauce would you like?
What kind you got?
Barbecue, honey mustard, sweet
Yeah.
and sour?
Let's do the sweet and sour and the barbecue. Okay, the value meal's back up on the screen. Let's go with the double cheeseburger and the value onion rings, please. And that will be it. Nothing to drink. I got my own. Got
That's everything for you?
That's everything.
Alright, so I have a number 1 large with Coke.
So cheap.
Double cheeseburger,
So
10
cheap.
sweet sour, and
Dude,
barbecue
nothing
sauce,
beats
and
the
a
value
fry.
meal. It's like a buffet for a buck.
Okay,
Thank
thank you.
And we're set.
The Dodge Ramsey. The Dodge Ramsey efficiently holds a whole value menu meal for you.
So good.
This vehicle was made for value. The Dodge Ramsey.